this is Maggie from Little Maggie Shop, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to create these adorable chocolates. The sheet featured in this video will be available for you to download for free. Find the link in the video description. Additionally, you will need the following tools: wire cutters, popsicle sticks. For the 1/6 scale, I use standard popsicle sticks, but you may opt for smaller coffee stir sticks for a smaller scale. Craft glue, a pen, and scissors. Firstly, after downloading the file, navigate to File, Print. In the Preview settings, choose the desired scale. You can adjust the scale as needed. I typically select Fill Entire Paper. Then, in the Media and Quality settings, opt for the highest quality to ensure vivid colors. I select Best for quality. Finally, click Print. Next, mark the length of the chocolate bar on the popsicle stick and cut it with wire cutters to create as many as required. Apply glue to the back of the packaging, inserting the popsicle stick. Fold over the tabs and press firmly with your fingers to form a neat chocolate. Additionally, you can use the backside of eye-drop packaging using the same method to create more chocolates. Finally, apply craft glue on top to create water-resistant layer. And there you have it! With this sheet I've produced many chocolates for my miniature grocery store, and my 3-year-old son absolutely adored the result. You will find the free sheet for this video in the description down below. Thank you for watching! Bye!
Bye!